Hi, Paul and Stanley. Greetings from the horse country. Congratulations on your 50th anniversary. Be careful, you might catch up to us. Only 66. So now we can raise our glasses to toast you, Paul and Stanley, as you celebrate your 50th.
Our toast to you. May all the joy you have given us and so many others return to you and bring you many, many more treasured years together.
Salute.
Salute.
Et tanto augure. Love and kisses from all the Germanos. Roy,
Margaret,
Patty,
Debbie,
and our Dr. Roy and Debbie.
also Lauren, Archie, and Alex.
Ciao for now.